6 round Delta, we need to return to land. We need to land now. Today we're doing a short trip. We're actually going to Chattanooga. It's about 80-85 nautical miles from here. I wanted to thank SoCal Flying Monkey for featuring my channel in one of his videos. Alright, welcome new subscribers, and I hope to make more aviation content. And stick around, we're just gonna take off in a minute. Okay, who wants to say clear prop?
Clear prop.
Rami, you want to say clear prop?
Clear prop.
Clear prop! Facing ground, Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, run up complete.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, hold short of runway 21 right, monitor tower, see ya.
Hold short 21 right, monitor tower 6 Romeo Delta. Fuel pump on, landing lights on, house on, strobes on.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Peachtree Tower right turn northwest approved, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 21 right, clear for takeoff, 66 Romeo Delta, right turn to the northwest approved.
For the field.
We're looking for the traffic, starting to descend now, 32440.
Skylane 407, you can proceed on course southeast.
On course to southeast 407.
And November 440, Fable, at least down to 2,500. That traffic, that's your 2 o'clock, 5 miles, and northeastbound, again, Phenom at 3,000.
2 and right, number 2, clear to land, 440.
Tower Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, we need to return to land.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, what's going to be your on-course setting today?
6 round Delta, we need to return to land.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, roger, do you need to be number 1, or can you land behind the Cherokee there on base?
We can land behind the church.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, behind the Cherokee on the half-mile right base. Number 2, runway 3, 21 right, clear to land. Do you require assistance?
At this point we're okay, but we need to land.
Okay, roger. In November 32440, traffic 5 mile final parallel runway at Falcon, caution wake turbulence. Additional traffic turning a 1 mile right base is a Grumman, and that's traffic for you to follow.
Alright, I got the Falcon and the Grumman in sight for 440.
Roger. Skylane 407, frequency change approved.
Roger that, 407.
Cessna 704 Romeo Bravo, I don't know if I told you, but cross midfield at 2,500, enter the right downwind for runway 21 right.
Cross midfield at about 2,500 and enter the right downwind for runway 21 right, 704 Romeo Bravo.
Twilight 247, that traffic for the parallel runway is just off your right hand side, same altitude, and they have you inside of Cherokee.
Yeah, we got him in sight for Twilight 24/7.
Got 19646 back with you, Stone Mountain bound for South Kilo.
Skyhawk 19646, Peachtree Tower, cross midfield at 2,500, enter the right downwind runway 21 right.
Over the field 2500, right downwind 21 right, 646. 6 round, I can switch to 21 left.
Hey, firm, negative, there's a jet at 2 mile final.
Steeljet 317's up with you, we're about to say 6 mile final for 21 left.
Steeljet 317, Peachtree Tower, runway 21 left, clear to land.
21 left, clear to land, 317.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, turn right at the end and contact ground point 6.
Turn right, contact ground 6 round.
Alright, Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, continue the Alpha and where you parking now, you requiring any assistance?
We're going to the north ramp at this point, negative resistance.
Continue the Alpha Delta, cross runway 16.
Alpha Delta, cross runway 16. 800 feet or so. Then I had a partial power loss. So I don't know what happened, and then the power came back after in a couple of seconds. I'm thinking it's possible that some water or something got into the system. So I came back and landed without an incident, but it's something